Ken Horner, company KH Equipment, established in 1977, manufacturing originally general engineering and now manufacturing Ozstart air starters and other mining and diesel engine equipment. Really from day one, my first dealings with Okuma, and we've had an honest and ethical business relationship. Service and backup has been second to none. Product support and any information we've always had freely with no obligation or pressure. Well, it was pretty easy with Okuma. The first machine I have owned since 1984, which is still here today. And then the second one come in 1986, and we're up to a lot more since then. KH supplies mining and diesel engine equipment, which is our main business right now, and that's for starting diesel engines. That's where our growth has been, and that's where the growth of obviously the machine tool requirement has been for manufacturing that product. And I then needed to take it up another level with more productive equipment. That's when I contacted Okuma and said, we've got a couple of issues that we need to do to ramp up the numbers here, which was basically taking the human element out, and we would feed the part in one end and then it'd come out finish the other, rather than having multi-processes that were being done at the time. Really for service with Okuma, I have no delays, anybody coming out here or anything like that. If it's urgent, we'll say so. If I need someone and I've got a problem, the problem's fixed. We haven't got a delay of, again, I'll go back to parts or no one's available for, a month or something like that. We get seen to in a very short time. Okuma training is whatever you need. It's not a set program where you only get 2 days or something like that and then you're left on your own. I mean, there's the training support is unlimited. Okuma people, whether it be service or sales, they knew what we were doing and we also knew what they were doing. So it become really like a family, and I think that's important that you have partnerships. Okuma aren't just suppliers. I mean, we've known each other for so long, and it's socially and everything else, so it's always been good. I've been well serviced and supported by Okuma since 1984. That's the answer. Don't need the other lot. It's just we've got what we want. Thanks, Okuma.